Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 4, Day 5. Okay, we're going to say the sounds and then blend them. P, mop, t, op, top, t, hot, s, k, sock. Now this time we're going to break them apart. Hot, t, 3 sounds. Lock, k, 3 sounds. Flock, f, k, 4 sounds. Block, b, k, 4 sounds. Plop, p, p, 4 sounds. Okay, these are words that we've been practicing with short O, so we're going to go fairly quickly. 3, 2, 1, lot. 3, 2, 1, knot. 3, 2, 1, box. 3, 2, 1, blocks. Okay, and that's it. So, this is the word mop. Change the ah to ah, map. Change the to t, tap. Change the ah to I, tip. Change the I to ah, top. Change the p to t, tot. Change the first T, the first T to hot. Change the ah to I, hit. Change the h to lit. Change the I to ah, lot. Change the t to k, lock. Add an F to the beginning, flock. Change the f to k, clock. Change the ah to ah, clack. Change the k to b, black. Change the ah to ah, block. Okay, that's it. So these are words we're going to practice just to remind ourselves automaticity, that we can read them quickly. 3, 2, 1, hot. 3, 2, 1, dock. 3, 2, 1, dogs. 3, 2, 1, lots. 3, 2, 1, flip. Okay, friends, that's all for today. Bye.